Hi guys, the next gun I make will be an assault rifle, so vote for it now. Enjoy the video. This is my new Thompson M1A1 submachine gun, the iconic World War II American submachine gun. The iron sights line up. The bolt works. The trigger works. The grip is amazingly curved. The other side is really detailed too. The fire switch works and the fire selector works as well. The mag release kind of works. It moves so it counts as working, I guess. The mag holds in well and can be slided out like the real one. The mag is quite detailed. The markings are like the real one. The stock is from an airsoft part someone gave me for free. And it looks pretty good. And that is all for my video today. The how to video will be uploaded soon. Check out my source as well. Thanks for watching and please like and subscribe.